Have you wondered what an airline pilot carries in his flight bag? In this video, I'm going to reveal what I bring with me when I go flying. Welcome back, aviators. Summer is almost here and I hope you're enjoying this beautiful flying weather. If you're new to my channel, I take the mystery out of the aviation industry, so consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. In this video, I'm going to reveal to all of you what's actually in my flight bag and why what I bring is essential to life on the road. Everything I talk about will be linked in the show notes below, so let's start with the flight bag. The flight bag I use is the ASA Classic. I like this bag because of its compact size, yet practicality and storage space. ASA also makes a Pro version which is slightly larger. This bag has a large compartment in the center, 2 side pockets, and a front pocket. I've had this bag for 10 years and it's really stood the test of time. There have been a few minor repairs I've had to make over the years, but nothing major. Of course, there's no perfect flight bag, and this is just a setup that works best for me. If you have a favorite flight bag, let me know down in the comments below and I'll check it out. So the big question is, what can I actually fit inside of this flight bag? And it's quite a lot actually. In the first side pocket, I have the QC35 headset with the U-Fly mic combo. The case for the QC35 is so compact it slips right in and it's very lightweight. If you would like to see a full review on this headset, check out the card above. I also carry earplugs for walkarounds or noisy hotel rooms. In the center compartment is where I carry all of my food. I can fit 3 days worth of meals in there, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to make a video about meal planning. Also, don't forget your cutlery, but don't bring any knives, even plastic ones. They will be confiscated in security. In the second side pocket is where I fit the majority of all of my items. First, I have my umbrella and I never leave home without it. It's an affordable compact size umbrella and I won't feel bad if I forget it or lose it somewhere, but it comes in super handy. I fly across North America and the weather can vary drastically, so instead of being caught out in the rain, I am always prepared. Besides, it's very lightweight and you hardly notice it's even there until you need it. Next, I have my emergency cold and flu kit. Getting sick on the road sucks, and you need something to make you feel better while the company flies you home. I carry Advil cold and sinus, Halls for sore throats, Pepto-Bismol for an upset stomach, nasal spray so you can actually breathe and sleep at night, vitamin C bombs as I like to call them, and Neocitrin. You might want to add different items to your medical kit, but at least make sure to make one, because it's better to have it than to suffer and wish you had made one. Next, I have my Hutu Travel Router. Essentially, it's a router that can boost the signal in your hotel room if you have a weak signal, and it's also a power bank with which you can charge your devices in your flight deck. I also have my sunglasses, which are arguably one of the more important things in my flight bag. We spend the majority of our time flying above the clouds, so flying without sunglasses is actually quite challenging. I also make sure I have several charging cables, and lastly, my Sony X3000 action cam. I bring this with me all the time because I never know what unique experiences I'm going to capture and be able to share with all of you guys. For example, I flew to the Bahamas for the first time this month and I was able to capture some of it on video. I use a strong gooseneck mount to be able to mount it in different parts of the flight deck and make sure it's hands-free. And these are all the things that I can put in my side pocket. In the front pocket is where I keep all my hotel notepads, pens, my pilot's license and passport, keys, the secret RFID wallet, check out my review on it, and my company iPad. As well as some cash if you forget your wallet. As you can see, everything I bring serves a purpose, and it's essential to make sure that it's compact and lightweight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas of what you should pack in your first flight bag. Let me know what your favorite things are to bring with you on the road, or if you have any flight bags you would like me to check out. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.